Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best beach cart chair is probably one of the most ingenious inventions for beach lovers, seamlessly combining the utility of a sturdy cart to haul all your gear with the comfort of a relaxing chair, making your trips to the sand and surf effortlessly enjoyable and significantly less cumbersome, transforming a day at the beach from a logistical challenge into pure relaxation. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Row and Ride Glute and Leg Trainer. This compact machine is designed to perfect your squat form, allowing for a deeper range of motion. It's an all-in-one cardio and strength solution, trusted by millions for effective full-body engagement. Target all your major muscle groups with one powerful, ergonomic movement. It works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders, providing effective, low-impact training right at home. Pair it with the free SunnyFit app for an enhanced experience. You'll get guided workouts, AI-powered plans, and real-time tracking, plus access to a global fitness community led by world-class trainers. Customize your workout with multiple pin lock positions for deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup allows you to tailor your routine to your unique strength, flexibility, and fitness goals. Challenge yourself with its 3 built-in resistance bands, offering up to 66 pounds of total resistance. This makes it perfect for scaling your workouts, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. Its compact design folds easily for quick storage, making it ideal for any home gym, apartment, or small space. It's also lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for strength and stability, it supports users up to 330 pounds. This ensures long-term performance and reliability, suitable for all fitness levels. What we like. This machine offers a comprehensive full-body workout, targeting multiple muscle groups with one movement. It connects to the SunnyFit app for guided workouts and real-time tracking, enhancing your fitness journey. If you're looking for an effective, low-impact total body training solution with smart features and a compact design for home use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 4. WiHoo Portable Stroller Fan. This mini fan features an ultra-small 5mm grid gap, preventing tiny hands from accidental injury. It ensures peace of mind, allowing you and your child to enjoy outdoor strolls safely and happily. Its upgraded tripod, crafted from silicone-wrapped aluminum, ensures secure installation without accidental dropping. The improved fan blades are more aerodynamic, circulating air efficiently around your child for crucial cooling on hot days. The fan head can be adjusted 360 degrees horizontally, directing cool air precisely where needed. With 3 wind speed settings, you can easily find the perfect breeze and angle to keep babies comfortable. It offers versatile power options, supporting both USB and a safer rechargeable polymer battery. A full charge provides 4.5 to 11 hours of cooling, easily powered by laptops, power banks, or car chargers. This fan is incredibly versatile, functioning as a desk, handheld, or clip-on accessory. Its flexible tripod attaches easily to strollers, cribs, and car seats, making it perfect for outdoor walks, car trips, or any baby room. What we like. This portable fan prioritizes safety with its narrow grid gap, protecting little fingers. It boasts an ultra-long battery life, providing cooling for extended periods, and offers versatile power options. If you have a baby and need a safe, long-lasting, and adaptable cooling solution for strollers, cribs, or car seats, this fan is designed for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted from original content. Number 3. Max Sports Beach Day Foldable Chaise Lounge Wagon. Introducing the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. This innovative design combines 2 essential items into one convenient solution. Transform it into a spacious pull cart wagon in seconds. It can effortlessly carry your cooler, towels, and all your gear for a fun day out. Its rugged, wide tread wheels are designed for any surface. Easily roll it over grass, pavement, or even soft sand without a struggle. When it's time to unwind, convert it into a comfortable chaise lounge. Enjoy the built-in pillow and adjust the back to your perfect position. After your day of fun, it folds flat for incredibly convenient storage. Easily tuck it away in your car, garage, or closet until next time. Whether you're heading to the beach, backyard, pool, or a picnic, this versatile item is your ideal partner. It makes every outing more enjoyable and less of a hassle. What we like. This innovative product combines a comfortable chaise lounge with a practical pull cart wagon, offering dual functionality. It features a large capacity mesh basket for all your beach essentials and wide tread wheels for effortless transport over various terrains. If you like convenience and want to minimize trips from the car to the beach, this versatile 2-in-1 solution is perfect for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract relevant points. Number 2. Best Choice Products 36 inches Collapsible Utility Wagon, Green. Meet your new go-to for all your hauling needs. This versatile wagon is designed to make your daily tasks and outdoor adventures much easier. It's perfect for a variety of uses, from shopping to garden work. Constructed with a heavy-duty polyester liner and a sturdy steel frame, it can effortlessly carry up to 150 pounds. Self-fastening straps are also included to keep your items secure during transport. Equipped with 3-inch, all-terrain wheels, it glides smoothly over dirt, grass, sand, and pavement. Its 360-degree rotation ensures effortless steering and navigation in any direction. The adjustable handle can be set between 24 and 36 inches for a comfortable push or pull. It's thoughtfully designed to stay halfway up when released, reducing the need to bend down. When you're done, this cart collapses quickly for compact storage in just seconds. It expands just as easily, ready for your next adventure or task. From grocery runs to beach trips or yard work, it's your perfect companion. It offers ample space for gardening supplies, sports gear, and even has exterior mesh pockets for your drinks. What we like. This utility wagon stands out with its incredibly easy collapsible design, making storage and transport a breeze. Its multi-surface wheels and 360-degree rotation ensure smooth maneuvering across various terrains, from grass to sand. If you need a durable, easy-to-store, and highly maneuverable cart for everyday tasks like gardening, shopping, or park trips, this one is a strong contender. What people say. The product functions effectively as both a beach cart and a comfortable chair. Its design allows for easy transport of beach essentials. Number 1. Blue Beach Day 2-in-1 Folding Lounge Chair and Cargo Cart. This innovative design transforms from a comfortable lounge chair into a convenient cargo cart. It features an adjustable handle and folds flat for effortless transport and storage. Its spacious net basket offers 3.9 cubic feet of cargo space, supporting up to 100 pounds. You can easily carry your cooler, towels, and sporting goods for a perfect day out. Equipped with durable, wide tire wheels, it glides effortlessly over various terrains, from grass to sand. This ensures smooth transportation of your belongings from your car to your destination. Enjoy ultimate relaxation with its built-in pillow headrest and a 4-position adjustable backrest. It provides a comfortable spot to unwind, supporting up to 225 pounds. Constructed with a durable aluminum frame and easy-to-clean 600 denier fabric, it's built for longevity. This versatile item is perfect for your trips to the beach, park, or camping grounds. What we like. This product offers a unique 2-in-1 design, serving as both a spacious cargo cart and a comfortable lounge chair. It features a built-in pillow headrest and 4-position adjustable backrest for ultimate relaxation, along with all-terrain wheels for easy movement. If you are looking for a robust and comfortable beach chair that also doubles as a convenient cart for your gear, this option provides both comfort and utility. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. As per instructions, content cannot be fabricated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.